Yo, what the? Help me, help me, help me. What are you doing? No, what the? I'm going to die. I'm going to die.
I'm gonna...
What? What's happening? You messed up. What? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Oh my god, okay, and in today's video, we with trios and he's flying because he's in creative mode, obviously. And today we're gonna go to the ancient city and look at these birds just dancing and stuff and happening, and I don't know. What are we doing?
Sorry, it looks funny, I'm sorry.
What is happening?
I'm just gonna go to the ancient city, let's go.
Okay, yeah, let's go. I only have 30 baked potatoes. Wait, I'm gonna go get more baked potatoes. Time lapse or something. Here's his dog that's in a boat for some reason. And we got the iron farm over here. And we got some villagers. And this villager is very important because he's gonna trade us 4 iron for 1 emerald. So that's basically infinite emeralds because you have an iron farm. There's like 2 villagers over here. And they just breed so we get more villagers. What did you say?
You should have been listening. I have... You... Oh my god.
Is your microphone like... Okay, wait, I'm turning up the volume. Can I talk? Okay, I can hear you now. I can hear you. Why did you choose to make that noise? After all the noises, why?
Baking. Are you done baking your potatoes?
There's 3 creepers by the furnace. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oh my god.
Get away. Run away. They're gonna blow up my house. They're gonna blow up my house. Get away.
No, it's okay. I'm gonna kill them. Randomly just this way. Come on, Galaxy. What are you doing? I can't see you. Stop! It's not funny. Give me back my boat.
Wait, what is this? Oh.
That makes it faster. Cause like, I am literally the only one who has to freaking come.
Okay, wait. If we follow the water, we're just gonna go to the ancient city, or you just lying right down? We're gonna get lost.
No, what do you mean?
The last time we got stuck and we never made it home.
I didn't get stuck. My dog. I'm gonna go get my compass so we can actually get home then.
Oh, we have 3 boats. It's a parrot.
Oh my god, look at the... Sorry for murdering that one. I'm never gonna murder a parrot again.
You just killed your own species.
Shut up. To be honest... Oh, okay, wait. There's a village here. Let's just loot that before we go. And we still have... Wait, hold on. Wait, what the fuck, man? Get in my boat. Hold on. I'm breaking my neck.
What are you doing? Are you having a... Look at your parrot. Your parrot's following your head.
Okay, we should be close. I don't know. We have to be in like the 2000 today. We have to be in the 2000. Oh wait.
Oh no, it's an ancient city. I mean, wait, what? It's a whatever this is called.
Should we go in it? Okay,
yeah, let's go. We need sponges. Oh my god.
Okay. Where do I put my...
Oh no,
Oh shit! What? Oh my god, just wait a little bit. This is very bad.
I have mining fatigue. I can't break the crafting table.
Okay, sorry. Okay, let's start. Okay, it's becoming nice, I think. I can't tell.
Why is there another village? Where are the villagers coming from?
Don't tell me. There's another village. Don't fucking tell me.
Okay, let's go. What? Oh my god. Okay, you can still give me my stuff, okay.
I meant to kill the... No!
He just one-shotted me.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we're here. Come over here. I found it.
Okay, wait. I'm coming. Wee! Oh my god. We in the city, boys. Is that the Warden? Flip, it's a Warden. No, what the... Help me. What are you doing? We have to go over there. No, what the... I'm going to die. Oh my god. Wait, what? Where are we? Why did you teleport me? I have nothing.
Oh shit.
Okay, let's just like stop recording here and then like say until next time. Stay tuned for the second part. What? What's happening? You messed up. What? Oh my god, where did it come from? What? Why did you I've escaped. Yay, I'm on top. This is another one. This is another one. No, what are you doing? It's so easy to kill. How do you do so much damage?
We have to go.
Where do we come from? Oh my. I don't have a bucket anymore. Let's go, boys. We survived the Warden, kind of. We lost half of our stuff. Oh my.
I'm literally gonna die. I murdered. Fuck you.
Oh,
what is wrong with you?
What are you doing? I'll give you the sword. Back.
Give me
the sword. I'll give you the sword. What? Okay, guys, thank you for watching us defeat the Warden, because we totally defeated it without the overpowered sword. And yeah, guys, like and subscribe if Trios is a bird, and we will see you guys in the next episode. Okay, bye.
It's not gonna die. Please send